India records 2 lakh plus COVID cases. Isn't it alarming? What do you think, Dr. Preeti?
Yes, it is, Midin sir, because on a daily basis, if 2 lakh plus cases are rising, that means it is a third wave.
And it is seen in news that this new variant of COVID, Omicron, is really causing havoc. So what is this Omicron and how it is different from other variants?
Yeah, actually Omicron is nothing but a variation of the COVID-19 virus, that is SARS-CoV-2 virus. SARS-CoV-2 is nothing but a coronavirus, correct? And corona means what? It has spike-like proteins projecting from its body. And there is variation. There are near about 50 variations in the Omicron. That means the spike is changing, and that is why it is spreading fast.
So is this new variant Omicron is dangerous?
Actually, no. Means there are some reports that it is not so dangerous. It is a spreading virus. That means it is infectious, but it is not severe virus. So luckily, it is not causing death as of now.
Okay, so but then what about the previous variants? Because we had seen that there have been various variants of COVID. So do they still exist? Are they still causing infection?
Yes, actually there are, because see, there was primarily alpha variant and beta variant, and then the delta variant, which caused havoc in the second wave in 2021, and that variant is still there. So you should be cautious of that variant, and that is what is actually causing the rise in our numbers.
Okay, so I think most of us are vaccinated by now, but still this third wave like situation is coming.
Yes.
So this new variant, as we have heard, Delmicron, which is causing a lot of havoc. Can you please tell something about that?
Yeah, actually, see, that virus is nothing but it's not a new variant. It is basically the combination of Delta virus and Omicron. If a patient is suffering from both of these viruses, then that is known as Delmicron infection. And that is a very cause of concern, because Delta is known to have a very severe effect on human being, and Omicron is known to spread. So you can just imagine what the combination will do.
Yeah, actually. So then who exactly are more prone to this Delmicron and what precautions should people
Yes,
take?
that is a very good question, Smidhin sir. See, the person who are unvaccinated, now we have almost been double vaccinated, every one of us, but if there is a person who is unvaccinated, that person is more prone to even Omicron as well as Delmicron, and they should take precaution. They should get vaccinated as soon as possible. Also, there are people who have underlying conditions like diabetes, heart diseases, etc. So those people are also again at high risk.
Right.
And people of higher age, like 60 plus age, they are again prone. Children are prone to this disease because they have not been exposed to the earlier variants.
Yeah,
So,
very
yeah.
true. So then we have seen because of this there is lockdown like situation might come up, and
Yes.
again the schools are switching to online teaching. So Dr. Preeti, do you have some tips for concern for parents as well as students?
Yes, see, currently the students started to go school, so they were like happy. Their rhythm was broken because of this looming pressure of lockdown. Some states have already started this implementing. They have stopped school for like 15th of February, and that is really cause of concern, because students, their mentality changes. They were happy going to school, they were happy interacting with other students, but now they will again be isolated in their homes. They will again have their heads immersed in the mobile phones. So they will have this, like, gaming addictions. Then they will divert from their studies. So that is not good. Students should focus on their studies.
Yeah, and surely we do have solution for that. Like if anyone is addicted to mobile phones or laptops, we through mobile phones and laptop we can gain very valuable information as well. Especially we at Practically have many amazing interactive videos. And can you please tell something more about that?
Exactly. In Practically app, you can explore it. There are various interactive games. Then there are simulations. There are different types of videos. There are engaging activities, going on for students. So they can even play and they can even learn. So that app is really good.
Yeah, that's really amazing. And before we conclude, one last tip about what precautions should they take. Like, obviously we know we have heard a lot of precautions, but what should be the lifestyle, what should be the diet, so that students can focus more on their studies.
Yes.
And what some more precautions when they go out and all.
Yes. See, the current precaution as of now is you have to wear N95 mask whenever you are going outside. Primarily, you should not step outside of your home unless it is necessary. Parents should take care that their child is not going outside even for playing, because if other student is contacted with the disease, they might suffer, but even you can bring the infection home. So you should stop going outside. Not entirely. If it is really necessary, you should go. But then you should have precaution. Wear N95 mask, then use sanitizers, maintain social distancing, and you should also have a balanced diet. Because if you have a good healthy body, then you can fight the disease in a very good way. You will not need any medications if you contact a disease.
Yes, rightly said. And we are going to give some more detailed information about what kind of diet you
Yes.
can follow and what kind of lifestyle will help you to be more healthy and boost your immune system. We'll
Exactly.
discuss that. So stay
Yes.
tuned with us.
Stay tuned with us.
And one very important point I would like to share over here, that during this lockdown, when the online education has started
Yes.
and the exams and all have become quite lenient, so students are just they are not taking that seriously whatever they are learning. But actually education, the essence of education is that we should learn something new and carry that knowledge, because these COVID days and years will go, but what will stay with you is the knowledge which you have learned. So that is very important. So whatever you are studying, even if you're studying for an hour, make sure you carry some good message along with you.
Yes, Midin, sir, very well said. And to do that and to help you with that, so
Stay safe and keep learning with Practically.
Bring learning alive, practically.